A U.S. Air Force C-130J Super Hercules assigned to the 61st Expeditionary Airlift Squadron taxis across the airfield as ground crews conduct rapid maintenance during a readiness and dispersal exercise in the U.S. Central Command Area of Responsibility. This exercise is designed to test and strengthen 9th Air Force, also known as Air Force Central, in its ability to disperse combat air power across multiple locations in a contested environment. The C-130J Super Hercules plays a critical role in this mission. Known for its versatility and reliability, the aircraft enables rapid airlift of personnel, equipment, and supplies, even from austere or forward operating locations. Dispersal operations reduce vulnerability, complicate adversary targeting, and increase operational flexibility. By operating from multiple airfields, U.S. forces create strategic ambiguity, forcing adversaries to reassess timing, location, and intent. Maintenance crews work efficiently on the flight line, ensuring aircraft remain mission-ready while minimizing downtime. Every movement, every inspection, and every launch supports the broader objective: sustained air power under pressure. Exercises like this reinforce the U.S. Air Force's ability to respond quickly, adapt rapidly, and project power across the region, anytime, anywhere. In an evolving security environment, readiness, mobility, and unpredictability remain key to maintaining air superiority.